Leisure, Unplug to Recharge by Molly Green. Life in Los Angeles certainly has its advantages, but it's not what I think of when I hear the word leisure. To me, leisure is the opportunity to disconnect from city noise, technology, and traffic, and reconnect with nature, family, and my own thoughts. Leisure is about reclaiming the pieces of ourselves that are lost to work and obligation. Leisure is about disconnecting from the things we must do and connecting with the things we want to do. Most importantly to me, leisure is about powering off all of the devices that consume my world. The sense of entrapment caused by mobile digital devices has been scientifically proven to increase stress and anxiety. Meanwhile, and perhaps most important to me, access to nature has been proven to reduce stress, improve sleep, and increase happiness. I am an introvert, and city life can be exhausting for me. I try to maintain some balance by ensuring that my home is as full of nature as possible, so that when the burden of daily life gets to be too much, it's easy to slip outside and find peace. Our backyard is becoming a little oasis of plants and shade. We even have chickens now. According to CDC, the bond between people and their pets can increase fitness, lower stress, and bring happiness to their owners. If you've never had a chance to sit and watch chickens be chickens, you're missing out on some great opportunities to laugh. They're hilarious. When the backyard can't satisfy my desire to escape from the city, we go camping. Before our daughter was born, few things could make me feel as relaxed and happy as sitting in a tree-filled forest near a river or a stream and knitting. It's a bit harder to find that kind of peace now that our wild child is part of the picture. These days, our leisure time is often spent in the water with her or introducing her to the sights and sounds of nature. It may not be quite as peaceful, but it's just as restorative. I spend a lot of time photographing nature. Lugging a heavy camera through woods and beaches may not be everyone's idea of leisure time, but I can easily get lost in my own world with my camera in hand. The beautiful thing about photography is that it allows me to bring nature home with me. Sometimes all of the leisure I need is to flip through my photos and enjoy the memories. When I was young, my mom took us to Maui. The road to Hana is infamous there for its hairpin curves and one-lane bridges. My mom describes the drive as being tense and very white-knuckled. I remember her buying a postcard that said, "I survived the road to Hana." I had the opportunity to revisit Maui as an adult, and I had a completely different experience driving the road to Hana. It was still as treacherous as it was 30 years ago, but that road is all about the journey rather than the destination. The journey takes you through a rainforest filled with waterfalls, rainbows, stunning ocean views, and a canopy of trees that made me swoon. For me, that road was not about survival, it was about restoration and awe. I wonder how many people would describe the road to Hana as being leisurely. However many there are, those are my people. I spent many years of my career longing for a window office. When I finally had one, I was overjoyed to have my fourth-floor view of a palm tree-lined parking lot. It changed how I felt about walking into work each day, and I often spent my lunch break watching the world from my office windows. It made such a difference in my mood that I invited my team to abandon their cubicles for my office's natural light anytime they felt like it might help. My leisure may include nature, but nature is not exclusively for leisure. Take time to let in the light.